Welcome to this month's LOXONE Flash. This time it's all about how everything works together even better. In the app, in Exosphere, and in real-world projects. Let's get started. A lot has changed in the LOXONE app, especially in the places you actually notice day to day. Along with a cleaner, calmer design, there's a feature many people have been asking for a long time: Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That means your building now comes along for the ride, safely, simply, and right there in your car. Let's take a look at what this looks like and what you can do with it in everyday use.
You can go to the side menu in Apple CarPlay, and then you see currently there are already 2 scenes available. These are the scenes on my home when I'm driving away or when I'm driving home. You can add different actions and scenes from different mini servers. So here now we are at our LOXONE show home. You can see we have our suggested actions, which are start charging for the wall box, pause charging, opening the garage door or closing the garage door. So we can add all of these actions. And then it's possible to even set some of them, for example, start charging wall box or opening garage door to our favorites. And we can even rearrange our favorites there.
Exosphere has also taken a big step forward, with a clear focus on visibility, scalability, and working faster on larger projects. With control sets, a completely new dashboard and charting system, tags, and a central search, everything comes together in one place. The result? Less manual cleanup, more clarity, even as projects grow or workspaces keep changing. What that means in practice and how it feels in everyday work is exactly what we'll look at now.
Well, let's create a new one. In this dialog, of course, you have to enter a meaningful name, select an appropriate mini-server structure item where the controls you are interested in reside in. Then you have to select a control type, for example, analog status control type with the state of value, which is the only one for this control type. In the bottom left corner, you find this query builder. And in here, you can define random category, room, mini-server name or control name based filters that are combined through operators like AND and OR. For example, now I filtered for this category and we see the temperature values to the right in the preview. This control set is of course very interesting when you deal with large workspaces.
One of the questions we're asked most often is this: what actually distinguishes LOXONE from KNX? Let's take a closer look.
Thanks to numerous interfaces, standards such as KNX, DALI, Modbus, Notion and DMX can be integrated in LOXONE. In addition, LOXONE is officially certified by Apple HomeKit, Bosch Siemens, Belimo and other manufacturers. KNX is an open protocol. Various manufacturers offer a wide range of components for KNX installations, but this can lead to problems in implementation. The mini server is the central element of LOXONE home and building automation. It takes care of all control and automation tasks. The intelligence of a KNX system is decentralized in the sensors and actuators. All LOXONE software and apps are available free of charge and without license, including updates and external access. Visualization is created automatically and is completely free of charge. Functions set up in LOXONE Config are available in the LOXONE app immediately after saving. KNX projects require ETS software, which is subject to a fee. Updates and additional tools must also be purchased separately. KNX also requires additional programming effort. Additional hardware is also required to create a visualization, which is subject to a fee.
Every home is different, and so are the needs of the people living in it, especially when a family grows. In this project from Poland, LOXONE brings security, comfort, and energy together in one system. Let's take a look.
This home shows what automation looks like when it truly follows the people who live in it. It was created for a family whose life evolved over time, and the system evolved right along with them. Most things simply happen on their own. Every part of the house is connected, all managed through one intuitive system. And it's often the small details that make the biggest difference, like an invisible touch surface you can use even with a dirty hands, or gentle light that quiets you through the house at night. This isn't automation for show. It's home that gently makes life easier, safer and more comfortable.
Inteligentnego domu oczekiwałam.
I expected a smart home to make life easier, increase comfort, and a sense of security. And now the house meets our expectation exactly in this regard.
W tym zakresie.
That's it for this month's LOXONE Flash. Thanks for watching. You'll find all related links and details in the video description below. See you in the next one.